Choo-choo! Hey, buddy, you can't lie down on the tracks. Don't worry, our friendly neighborhood wizard is here to help. Trust me, he's eaten weirder things than this. Now this train head makes a great juice dispenser. Aw, don't cry. The train can still run without a head. Whoops, we almost forgot about him. After all, maybe his head could be useful too. At least his lips aren't on the carton. And he looks so happy with his new job. Oh, baby doesn't want to eat. But our magic hat has just the thing to help. It's a bottle spoon. First, let's fill it up with milk. Guess eggs aren't the only thing we do fresh here. Personally, I prefer my milk pasteurized and chocolate. Hopefully, baby will take a spoonful of this. He likes it, he really likes it. And he doesn't like most things. Look, he's even eating all gone. Well, that got the job done. I've heard about people losing face before, but not like this. An acne head? Looks like it needs some cream. Now give it a good squeeze. Maybe not that hard. At least it's just cream. Would you like some coffee to go with it? And I thought he was squeezing hard before. Gotta give him credit, he doesn't waste a drop. Well, it's gotta be lunchtime somewhere. Who wants to tell him he doesn't have a tail? But who needs one when you can have a pouch like that? Zip it up and put whatever you need inside. A toy cat? We can do better than that. This way he can crawl right in. And have a party. But still pop in to say hello whenever he wants. You know, if you're not too busy doing whatever you're doing, why don't you pop in for a spell?
Wow. Oh.
Look who's come to visit. A cute pink flamingo. Let's help him get dressed for dinner. Now, dinner. Now be a good birdie and eat all gone. Of course, what goes in must go out. Sure you don't want to go somewhere a little more private? Oh no! The toilet's clogged! At least it's just water beads. Lots and lots of water beads. I guess someone's got a touch of arachnophobia. But Spider-Man's here to help. Wow, it's a spinning top and a light show all in one. What else do you think it'll work on? Make like a spider and start spinning. Let's stop before we get too dizzy. Ah, nothing beats second breakfast, except a new toy. And now you've got your own personal mini fountain. Ooh, just look at all the flavors it comes in. Blue, pink, green, yellow. That yellow one sure puts a smile on his face. Our little whale deserves a seat of honor, and it moves. Wow, those noodles look hot. Maybe blow on it. Ah, much better. If only you didn't have to keep blowing. Luckily, our mini fan is here to help. Just keep it close to your chopsticks. Press a button and it'll cool the food for you. Probably should keep it on the low setting, especially if you want to aim for your mouth. After all those noodles, nothing's better than even more noodles. Ooh, and it looks like we've got a long one. Guess someone didn't want a kiss. Ooh, what's that? It's a fork that does all the twisting and turning for you. Really comes in handy when eating spaghetti. I thought we talked about keeping things on low settings, unless you want pasta flying around the room. Anyway, why don't we try this spoon? Wow, spoons this long are for feeding the whole table. So is she gonna return the favor? I'm still hungry. Ooh, we should spruce up this old fish tank. Much better. But what do we have inside? This'll help us make a jellyfish. Draw a face. Keep adding colors. Fill up each tentacle. Now let's help the jellyfish come out of its mold. It pops right out. Now let's look at that face. We have the perfect place just for you. And we've got some roommates for you too. Let's get this party started with a nice spin cycle. Time to check the old crystal ball. Huh, okay. How about we watch the game? Hey, I'd be careful with those sticky hands if I were you. Don't worry, this happy little sponge can help. Squirt out a little soap and start scrubbing. Soon, this ball will be crystal clear. I mean, it is crystal. Give it one last wipe and back to our show. Careful with that wand. We're running low on phoenix feathers. I'd get him off that hat quick if I were you. Careful, that head's on loan from the Wizard of Oz. Or wait, is he still stuck in that balloon? Magic-tastic stuff. Catch you next time.